Hello everyone, my name is Manshu and I'm a student of MBA first year from DY Patil Institute of Management Studies, Akodi. Today we are going to dive into an important concept of operation and supply chain management, that is 5S system. So this 5S system is developed in Japan for lean management. So this 5S methodology is a set of principles which used to create a more effective, organized, and safe working environment. It is a critical component of lean management that helps organization uh, streamline operations, reduce waste, and enhance productivity. So let's break down the 5S system and understand how it contributes to smooth operations. So this the term 5S system for five Japanese words are first one is Seiri, second one is Seiton, third one is Seiso, fourth one is Seiketsu, and fifth one is Shitsuke. So each word represent a step in system aimed at improving the workplace environment. So the first S is Seiri, which is sort. The first step is sorting, which involves eliminating unnecessary items from a workplace by removing clutters. Employees have more space to work efficiently. In supply chain management, this can be getting rid of obstacles, inventory, unnecessary equipments, or excessive materials. It helps to reduce distraction and improve overall workflow. So the second S is set in order. These steps focus on organizing the remaining items so that everything has its place. Items should be placed in a manner that easy to access and reduce the time spent should for searching for them. For example, in a warehouse or inventory system, products and materials should be labeled and arranged by their usage frequency. So the result in a smoother and faster process and better utilization of space. The third S stand for shine. The third step is cleaning and maintaining the workplace machinery and equipment. A clean environment prevent unnecessary breakdowns and ensure safety. In the context of supply chain, regular maintenance of equipment like forklift or conveyors ensure that they are operating at optimal efficiency. It also prevents delay caused by malfunctions, leading to improved customer satisfaction. The fourth S is a Seiketsu, which is a standardized. So standardization involves creating a procedure and guidelines to maintain the first three steps. It's about ensuring that sorting, organizing, and cleaning become a routine. These steps make sure that the 5S practices aren't just one-time event, but a continuous part of the culture. In operation, this means creating a standard operating um, procedure (SOP) for everything from inventory management to machine maintenance. So the fifth S is Shitsuke, which is sustain. The final step is sustaining the improvements made. It's about embedding the 5S practices into the organizational culture and ensure everyone adheres to them. Continuous training, monitoring, and a regular audit are key keeping the 5S system alive. For example, in supply chain management, regular assessing inventory control method are updating standards based on performance ensure long-term benefits. So, at last, we can conclude that the 5S system is proven method for optimizing operations and supply chain management. It is not just about cleanliness, it's about creating a structured, efficient, and sustainable environment that drives productivity, quality, and safety. Adopting the 5S system in your workplace might take some initial efforts, but long term benefits far outweigh the investments. Whether the manufacturing plants or supply chain environment, 5S system is initial tool for a continuous improvement. So that's all about 5S system. So thank you for your time.